Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Skimlinks settings for affiliate links. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Skimlinks account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the settings option in the menu. Click on settings to access your account settings. In the settings menu, you will see multiple options. Select affiliate links from this list. Here, you can manage your affiliate link settings. To update an existing link, find the link you wish to modify. Click on the pencil icon next to the link to edit it. Make the necessary changes, such as updating the URL or adjusting parameters. After making your edits, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your updates. If you need to add a new affiliate link, look for the Add New Link option. Fill in the required fields with your new link information. Once completed, again scroll down and click Save Changes. To ensure your updates were successful, return to the affiliate link section. Review the list to confirm your changes are reflected. When ready, log out of your Skimlinks account. You have now successfully updated your Skimlinks settings for affiliate links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.